Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation between parents who can't find their child at the mall. In this video, you will follow Sarah and Daniel as they search for their son in a busy shopping center. This is a common situation that many parents face. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy the story. Have you ever lost someone in a crowded place?
Daniel, where is Tommy?
I don't know. He was right here.
Tommy? Tommy, where are you?
Maybe he went to look at toys.
No, I told him to stay close.
Let's check behind these clothes.
Tommy! Can you hear me?
He's not here. This is bad.
When did you last see him?
2 minutes ago. He was right next to us.
We need to find him now.
Yes, let's go look for him.
Do you see him anywhere?
No, not yet. Let's check that store.
Excuse me, have you seen a little boy?
He has brown hair and a red shirt.
No? Okay, thank you.
Maybe he went to the toy store.
That's a good idea. Let's go there.
I'm getting really worried now.
Me too. But we will find him.
He knows not to leave the mall.
Yes, but he's only 6 years old.
Come on, let's hurry. Tommy loves this store.
Let's look around carefully.
Excuse me, sir. Have you seen a boy in a red shirt?
He's 6 years old with brown hair.
No? Are you sure?
Maybe he's in the back section.
I'll check over there by the games.
I'll look at the action figures.
Tommy! Are you here?
He's not here either.
This is really scary now.
Let's go to the information desk. Excuse me, we need help.
Our son is missing.
His name is Tommy. He's 6 years old.
He has brown hair and a red shirt.
We lost him about 10 minutes ago.
Can you help us find him?
Should we call security?
Yes, please call them now.
We're very worried about him.
He's a good boy, but he's young.
Thank you for helping us.
We'll wait right here.
Where could he be?
I don't know. This is terrible.
What if someone took him?
Don't think like that.
But what if he left the mall?
He knows better than that.
He's just a little boy, Daniel.
I know. I'm scared too.
Why is security taking so long?
They'll be here soon.
I should have watched him better.
This is not your fault.
Thank you for coming so quickly.
Our son Tommy is missing.
He's 6 years old with brown hair.
He was wearing a red shirt and blue jeans.
We lost him in the clothing store.
That was about 15 minutes ago.
We already checked the toy store.
And we looked in the main corridor.
Can you check the cameras?
Or make an announcement?
We just want our son back.
Please help us find him. Maybe he came here for food.
He does love pizza.
Let's check every table.
Excuse me, have you seen a little boy?
Red shirt, brown hair, about this tall?
No? Okay, thank you anyway.
What about over there?
I'll check by the pizza place.
I'll look near the ice cream.
Tommy loves ice cream.
But he's not here either.
Where else can we look? Tommy loves video games.
This place is so loud and crowded.
Let's look behind these games.
I'll check by the basketball game.
Tommy, are you in here?
Excuse me, kids. Have you seen Tommy?
He's 6 with brown hair.
They haven't seen him.
This place is too noisy.
He could be anywhere in here.
Let's check the prize area.
Good idea. He likes prizes.
We've looked everywhere.
I know. I'm getting really scared.
What if we never find him?
Don't say that. We will find him.
It's been 30 minutes now.
That's too long for a little boy.
I feel like a terrible mother.
No, you're not. This happens sometimes.
But not to good parents.
Yes, it does. Even to good parents.
I just want my baby back.
Me too. Let's keep looking. Maybe he came here to look at books.
He does like picture books.
Let's check the children's section.
Tommy, are you reading somewhere?
Excuse me, have you seen a little boy?
He might be looking at animal books.
No luck here either.
He's not in this store.
Where else does he like to go?
The pet store. He loves animals.
That's a great idea.
Let's go there right now. Why didn't we think of this before?
Tommy always stops at the pet store.
He loves to watch the puppies.
And the fish tanks, too.
Please let him be there.
I really hope so.
We should have checked there first.
Don't worry about that now.
I can see the store from here.
Let's hurry up.
I'm so nervous.
Me too. But let's stay positive.
Do you see him anywhere?
Not yet. Let's check by the puppies.
That's his favorite spot.
I'll look by the fish tanks.
Excuse me, have you seen a boy in red?
About 6 years old with brown hair?
He loves animals, especially dogs.
No? Okay, thank you.
He's not here either.
I was so sure he'd be here.
What do we do now?
Let's go back to security. Excuse me, officer. Any news about our son?
We've looked everywhere in the mall.
The toy store? Food court? Arcade? Bookstore? Pet store?
We can't find him anywhere.
Should we call the police now?
I'm really getting scared.
It's been almost 40 minutes.
Tommy has never done this before.
He's a good boy. Something must be wrong.
Please help us find our son.
We don't know what else to do.
We just want him back safe. Thank you for making the announcement.
Did anyone call about finding a boy?
No calls yet? This is terrible.
Maybe someone took him outside.
Don't say that. Please don't say that.
I'm sorry. I'm just really worried.
Should we search outside the mall?
But what if he's still inside somewhere?
I don't know what to think anymore.
Let's wait a few more minutes.
Okay, but then we call the police.
Yes, I agree with that.
What? What is it?
Did someone find him?
Really? Where is he?
The movie theater? But we didn't check there.
Is he okay? Is he safe?
Thank God. Thank you so much.
Let's go get him right now.
Which movie theater?
The one on the second floor?
Yes, we know where that is.
Come on, let's hurry.
Thank you, officer. Thank you so much.
I can't believe we didn't check the movies.
Tommy loves cartoons.
How did he get money for a ticket?
Maybe someone helped him.
I just want to see him.
Me too. Let's take the escalator.
I'm so relieved right now.
But also still worried.
At least we know where he is.
And that he's safe.
There's the movie theater.
I can see the sign from here. Excuse me, do you have our son?
A little boy named Tommy?
Security called about him.
Brown hair, red shirt, 6 years old?
Yes, that's him. Where is he?
Is he watching a movie?
How did he get inside?
Can we see him right now?
We've been looking for him everywhere.
We were so scared.
Thank you for taking care of him.
Please, can we get our son now? Tommy! Oh, my baby!
We were so worried about you.
Where have you been?
We looked everywhere for you.
Don't ever do that again.
We thought we lost you forever.
How did you get here?
And how did you buy a ticket?
We're just happy you're safe.
Next time, tell us where you're going.
Promise us, Tommy.
We love you so much.
I hope this video helped you practice English in a real-life situation. Many parents experience this worry when they can't find their child in a crowded place. Have you ever been lost in a mall or busy area? Please share your experience in the comments. Remember to stay calm and ask for help when you need it. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.